quicker shots, but the power shots and the heavier punches are by Oscar Duarte in a very close round and close.
Right hand for Duarte, that might have buzzed him. Sims Duarte just putting his head down and letting his fist fly.
Ya, bukan petinju biasa. Oscar Duarte, petarung asal Meksiko, dikenal sebagai mesin penghancur di atas ring. Dengan gaya agresif, pukulan mematikan, dan semangat pantang mundur.
Somebody as a sub, I'm on weight, I can do it, and he is coming out very aggressive right now and drop.
That was it.
And there's a nice angle to those shots.
Absolutely.
1, 2, 3, 4 at a time.
Oh, you're done. Whereas at the UFC,
Malam yang panas di Chicago, dua petinju papan atas saling berhadapan dalam perebutan tiket emas menuju sabuk WBA. Oscar Duarte, si pemukul keras dari Meksiko, menghadapi Kalen Smith Jr., sang teknis lincah dari Amerika.
Here we go.
Di ronde pertama, keduanya langsung masuk ke tengah ring. Sims terlihat tenang, mengandalkan jab cepat dari tangan kirinya untuk mengukur jarak. Duarte seperti biasa, maju menekan, mencoba memotong sudut ring agar Sims tak bisa berputar bebas.
Oh, and a nice up. There's a flip side of the coin too. A lot of fighters like it. Good right hand. Fighting at home, especially over in the UK.
Duarte let loose on that buzzsaw combination that he likes doing, but that's exact
Fighter.
I hated it. I had 2 draws.
Di ronde kedua, Sims mencoba tampil lebih agresif, masuk dengan kombinasi jab dan strike. Duarte bertahan rapat, lalu membalas dengan hook kiri yang keras membuat Sims mundur sejenak. Di akhir ronde, Duarte mendarat 2 pukulan ke tubuh yang cukup membuat Sims merasakan tekanan.
Big right hand for Duarte. That might have buzzed him. Sims
But his arms aren't going to be able to hold that power off, and they're bound to seep through.
He put everything he had into that left hand.
Going around boxing in circles, but he's getting hit with.
Di ronde ketiga, Duarte mulai menemukan ritme. Hook kanan ke kepala dan uppercut ke dagu membuat Sims terpaksa hanya bisa bertahan. Duarte menghujani lawannya dengan kombinasi. Sims masih bisa bertahan, tapi ronde ini jelas milik Duarte.
They're bound to have an effect.
A title shot, very likely for the winner.
See, there we have Duarte digging down to the body. Nothing landing clean.
Duarte out of position, throwing that wild right. Should have countered that with something.
Both of them exchanging. Sims exchange braver.
Oh, and he ate that left hand. Duarte scored again. Sims Jr. does not look good here in the third. Duarte landed, including the one big shot, the buck of the legs of Kenneth Sims.
And nowhere to hide from Sims. Punch dipping and not getting hit by shots. He needs to dip.
Di ronde keempat, Sims mencoba bangkit. Ia bergerak lebih cepat, memanfaatkan jab untuk menjaga jarak. Beberapa pukulan masuk bersih ke wajah Duarte. Namun Duarte tetap sabar dan membalas dengan pukulan ke tubuh.
Your side, but you can't let Duarte do this. And there's that nice jab from Sims that he's been popping out there. That's a nice jab.
Duarte 23 KOs in his 20.
Good shot. There it is again.
And that froze Duarte for a second.
Di ronde kelima, inilah momen terbaik Sims. Ia menekan Duarte dengan kombinasi hook ke tubuh dan uppercut ke dagu. Duarte sedikit terkejut, namun tidak mundur. Di akhir ronde, Duarte berhasil membalas dengan pukulan keras ke rahang, membuat suasana memanas.
Puerto Rico and Ireland chance.
Chicago's always been a great city. I fought here before. There we go. See that's.
But Duarte's just one left hook away from freezing Sims Jr. in his trap. Yeah, this is the best round so far for Sims.
If you catch an aggressive, there it is again. If Sims catches him with that catch and counter shoot. He's had Duarte digging down to the body.
Di ronde ke-6, Duarte kembali ke strateginya. Serangan bertubi-tubi ke tubuh Sims. Sims mulai terlihat tertekan, bergerak mundur. Pukulan kiri kanan Duarte beberapa kali masuk bersih. Ronde ini menandai kembalinya kendali di tangan Duarte.
Lead right hand by Duarte trying to come around the guard of Sims Jr. But there's that uppercut you were talking about. The quicker shots, but the power shots and the heavier punches are by Oscar Duarte in a very close round and
close shots in now. There's another one.
And now Sims turning southpaw.
Masuk ke ronde ke-7, pertarungan semakin brutal. Duarte menekan Sim ke pojok ring dan mendarat kombinasi 3 pukulan keras. Sim mencoba menahan, namun beberapa pukulan menembus pertahanan.
Countering. Those are getting the attention of Duarte, but the too far in between.
You know, we're into now
The shots. If you can start having Duarte on the back foot, that's when you know those body shots are taking the leg of Duarte.
Oh, he clipped him with a left.
Di ronde ke-8, Duarte semakin berbahaya. Setiap kali Sim mencoba keluar dari tekanan, Duarte memotong jalur gerakannya. Kiri ke tubuh dan kanan ke kepala. Sim terlihat mulai kelelahan, meski sekali masih membalas.
Chance of Oscar.
There we go. Duarte took that round off, or Sims out back.
Moment, my jab is the key. Yeah, he thinks that Duarte and his team might have underestimated.
Di ronde ke-9, Sim mengandalkan jab dan mencoba mencari poin. Duarte tetap agresif, namun Sim berhasil membalas dengan kombinasi cepat. Keduanya saling mendaratkan pukulan di tengah ring.
And if you remember, Duarte, when he fought Ryan Garcia, he was on the front foot. It was one hook that changed the time. Staying behind that jab, and of course, staying off the ropes. Anytime Duarte starts letting off shots like that.
Di ronde ke-10, Duarte memukul ke arah tubuh, memaksa Sim bertahan di tali. Sim mencoba berganti posisi, lalu membalas dengan uppercut ke perut Duarte. Pertarungan semakin panas menjelang 2 ronde terakhir.
Duarte hasn't really been that aggressive, and now he's getting hit with some clean shots. Nice body shots right there, coming up the over.
Di ronde 11, Duarte meningkatkan tekanan. Ia menyerang tanpa henti, memukul ke tubuh lalu ke kepala. Sim tampak semakin lelah dan lebih banyak bertahan.
And if you're wondering why those odds seem to favor Duarte, it's that bottom number, 749 defense. And he got out of the way for the receipt that time.
You know, controlling and dictating. That's how you win this fight. You stay in control. You execute. Exchanging hooks right there. That's what I'm talking about with Sims, that he wants to avoid changing.
Ronde ke-12, Duarte keluar seperti singa lapar, memburu Sim dengan kombinasi beruntun. Sim mencoba melawan balik, tapi power shot Duarte mendominasi.
His life.
I said it before the fight. If he's going to hurt Duarte, it was going to be a shot to the midsection. Take earlier in the fight.
This crowd is eating it up. Half a minute.
Oscar Duarte telah membuktikan bahwa kombinasi stamina, agresi, dan disiplin bisa menaklukkan teknis sekelas Sim GR.
Here are the judges' total team. Your winner.
But ultimately, it was the bust-off from Chihuahua, Mexico, Oscar Duarte.
Here and maybe the best performance of his career.
Berikutnya, semua mata tertuju pada kemungkinan duel dengan juara dunia Gary Antoine Roussel yang sebelumnya menumbangkan Joseph Valenzuela. Apakah Duarte siap merebut sabuk lagi? Kita akan segera mengetahuinya, yang digadang-gadang akan bertarung Maret 2026. Jika teman-teman suka, silakan like, komen, dan subscribe.
After 12 rounds of action, we go to the scorecards. Judges at ringside, Max Deluge, Tom Shrek scores at 123. Antoine Russell!